What's up, everybody? What's up, TikTok? What's up, YouTube? Um, so I had somebody ask me how did they get off the help desk. They've been at the help desk for about 2 years. So when I asked what do they do day to day, what's their roles, what programs do they know, it's pretty simple, like account resets, Active Directory, user permissions. Simple things that you would normally do in any help desk position, and this person doesn't have the security plus, right? So they asked me how to go to help desk. So first, I would get the security plus, and then I would learn vulnerability management. So you can learn SCCM or MECM. That's the Azure, um, basically like the Azure version of SCCM. So basically, in the program, you just learn how to push updates and uh, update multiple machines at one time. Makes everything very simple. You're not doing everything manually. You want to stay away from doing stuff manually. Anyway, but yeah, vulnerability management is very, very major. It can get you into a lot of system administrator jobs. So that's what you're really wanting. Also, STIGs. I'm gonna put in the description what STIGs are. You can go learn what STIGs are, and then then you can learn Splunk. Um, Learning a SIEM, SIEM, uh, that can help you get into the door of getting a system administrator job. What that program does is just makes you able to see all the events that's going on with machines, if there's anything malicious going on, or too many failed passwords, whatever. So one program or platform you can learn is Splunk. That's another platform that I recommend that you could go learn. I've learned it. I've done a couple of labs with it. Never had no enterprise or real experience on the job with that. Um, and then also they said that they are working in AWS. The fact that you're having experience exactly in AWS, I would go take the AWS Cloud Practitioner and then take the next one, probably a system administrator one. Um, I've taken the AWS, which is the fundamental one, the Cloud Practitioner, but the fact that you're having direct experience in AWS is a big help. And then on top of all that, in the meantime, while you're doing all that, I would be applying to system administrator jobs and also some identity access management jobs, IAM engineer jobs. So basically, what you're already doing right now, handling user permissions and putting people in the right groups. It's pretty simple. Um, what else? So we had the IAM engineer, system administrator. Um, Even so, also too, after you take the security plus, I would look at some either the network plus or CCNA. If you get the CCNA or network plus, that will definitely get you in the door to network engineer. A lot of people are trying to be remote nowadays, so you having the ability to go on site will give you that immediate um, push forward. And also too, like people sleep on networking. That's a big skill you can have. And there are some remote positions when you get higher level, probably in networking. But that's a good. If you could have the opportunity, I would take it. Um, but that being said, that's kind of a quick um, feedback to how to get off the help desk. You know. So Barry Fisherman, I'm out.